Ito na yata ang laptop na mas matibay pa sa mga flood control projects ng gobyerno natin. Pag-usapan natin itong Asus Expertbook P3. And don't worry guys, I will make this video super simple to understand para malaman nyo talaga yung kakayahan ng laptop na to. So, unahin muna natin sa unboxing experience. Nothing too fancy about the box for the Expertbook, and I appreciate that this is very eco-friendly. So, yung makukuha lang natin in the box is yung actual laptop and yung charging brick. So unboxing pa lang, alam niyo nang pang seryosohan talaga tong laptop na to. And I usually do this sa mga laptop reviews ko. I'm happy to report na I can open this laptop one-handed. So pasado to with flying colors, so one-hand test natin. Alright, so unahin na muna natin sa discussion yung toughness and durability nito kasi this is supposedly the main selling point ng laptop na to. Ito talaga binibida ni Asus for this year. Totoong nakakamangha naman talaga na kahit hindi rugged looking itong laptop na to, grabe yung durability. Yung hinge, sobrang tibay. Yung display, very flexible and almost unbreakable yung datingan. So kahit na isara natin ng pagalit tulad ng ginawa ko sa intro and may naipit na ballpen pa doon, wala pa ding issue sa display mismo. Pero hindi to nagtatapos yung durability ng laptop na to. Dahil bukod pa sa toughness, spill resistant na rin yung keyboard nito. So kahit pa matapunan natin to ng inumin, hindi yan masisira agad-agad. Di tulad ng mga flood control projects natin dito, isang bagyo lang, wasak na agad. So dito, kahit ma-spill nyo pa yung kape nyo, yung soft drinks nyo, or kung ano man yung iniinom nyo, gagana pa rin yung keyboard nyo after nyong punasan. But take note guys, yung mga extreme durability test na nakikita nyo right now is just to demonstrate kung gaano ka-tough talaga yung device na to. Hindi po ibig sabihin yan na gagawin nyo yan mismo at ititest nyo yung laptop na to. Magandang feature lang talaga na meron tayong extra toughness for our laptops just in case we need it. Anyway, now that we have the toughness and durability out of the way, mas gusto kong pagtuunan natin ng pansin yung kakayahan talaga ng laptop na to. Ano ba yung pwede nyong gawin with the Expertbook P3? First off, let's quickly talk about the specs that matter. So itong review unit na nasa akin has the AMD Ryzen AI 7 Pro na processor with 1TB of storage and 16GB of RAM. Pwede pang i-expand to up to 3TB of storage and 64GB of RAM respectively. So this is a very powerful laptop CPU in terms of AI processing. Para lang may idea kayo kung maghahanap kayo ng laptop for your AI-centric na workload, you would want something that has 40 to 50 TOPS. So yung AMD Ryzen 7 AI Pro na meron dito sa Expertbook P3 natin, kaya ng 50 TOPS. Simple yung Neural Processing Unit natin or NPU. And usually to run Copilot very effectively, at least meron tayong 40 TOPS. And speaking of Copilot, kasama na mismo yan dito sa Expertbook P3. Hindi nyo na kailangan pang mag-subscribe sa other AI services. Pakinabangan nyo na agad tong Copilot. Kung content creator kayo, pwede kayong magpagawa ng mga script nyo. So dahil mataas yung TOPS ng Expertbook P3 natin, kaya ng computer nyo mismo na gawin yung mga AI task locally. So, hindi po siya aasa online. And additionally, meron pa tayong extra feature para sa mga katulad ko talaga na ginagamit yung audio recording, yung transcript, and mag-summarize ng mga meetings. So, I usually attend meetings para sa day job ko and I need the transcript ng mga meetings para magawa ko yung work ko. And luckily, kasama na mismo itong very powerful na application from Asus para makapag-transcribe ng meetings and para mas-summarize pa kung ano yung pinag-usapan sa meeting. This will definitely ensure na mas mabilis mong magagawa or matatapos yung trabaho mo. It's a very powerful and useful application. And speaking of meetings, meron na rin itong kasamang built-in na webcam. Although I would say, this is in general lang hindi lang to specific to Asus. Yung mga na-experience ko talaga ng webcam para sa mga Windows-based na laptops, hindi pa rin talaga ganun kaganda. Now, naiintindihan ko na this is a work-centric na laptop, pero I would tell you na at the end of the day, minsan we just want to unwind and maybe play some of our favorite games. Para sa akin, Dota 2 yon, and I'm happy to report na pwede kayong maglaro ng Dota 2 on this laptop. That's a pleasant and very welcome surprise kasi you won't have to bring two laptops, one for gaming and one for work. You can just use your work laptop to play your games. Before moving on pala sa ibang bagay na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, pag-usapan naman natin yung display nito. Dahil nagulat ako na meron tong 144Hz refresh rate. Very smooth and fluid lahat. Kayang mag-play ng mga 4K videos without any problem at all. And although hindi pa to OLED panel, grabe, nakakamangha yung color reproduction nito. Masasabi mo talaga na mukhang high quality yung display nito. And meron pa tong anti-glare coating, so hindi kayo mahirapan kahit gamitin nyo pa to sa mga coffee shops or other bright places. So kung maisipan nyo man na mag-time out kayo from your work and watch a few YouTube videos or maybe even a Netflix show, pwedeng-pwede ma-enjoy nyo dito sa laptop na to. Now, other things that you might want to know, naka-Wi-Fi 7 na yung laptop na to. That means you get the best connection if available na yung Wi-Fi 7 router sa bahay nyo or sa workplace nyo. And pagdating sa ports, I would say this has sufficient ports na hindi nyo na kailangan pa magdala ng USB-C hub. So this has 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, merong HDMI port, merong LAN port, and as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack. Finally, para sa isang bagay na madalas na overlook natin, but I think this is definitely one of the key points na kailangan natin pag-isipan if we are professionals and we handle files na very sensitive and information na very confidential. This definitely offers a lot of security. So meron tayong biometric system for this one using our fingerprint. Meron tong tinatawag nilang Asus Expert Guardian. So sinusigurado nito na meron tayong peace of mind para sa business natin. That's why meron tong enterprise grade na safeguards and meron tong guaranteed na 5 years of software support. And of course, para hindi physically manakaw yung laptop natin mismo, meron din itong Kensington lock. Alright, so final thoughts para sa laptop na to. Para kanino ba tong Asus Expertbook P3? I think this is for people who really are very serious with their work and you're really trying to incorporate yung AI workflow para sa trabaho mo. The battery life is really good for a Windows laptop. I wasn't expecting na maganda yung battery endurance ito. And also, hindi ko pa nababanggit na just in case makalimutan nyo yung charger nyo, walang problema as long as meron kayong power bank. Kahit pa hindi fast charging yung power bank na yan, gagana pa rin para dito sa Expertbook P3. Now, let me just be transparent sa inyo guys. Kung ang hanap nyo is something for video editing, this would not be the one na i-recommend ko sa inyo. Pero if you are very serious sa trabaho nyo and gusto nyo na merong enough protection in terms of security, in terms of durability and toughness yung laptop nyo without having to sacrifice yung overall looks na mukha pa rin siyang professional, hindi siya mukhang rugged na laptop, this is definitely one of the best options out there right now. At kung gusto niyo bumili ng Expertbook P3 or any other Expertbook, this is the perfect time dahil meron tayong Expert Holiday Deals. That means meron tayong discounts and meron pa tayong freebies if you buy any of the Expertbook products na kasama dito sa promo. So this is gonna be available sa Lazada and Shopee. Lilink ko po yan dyan sa description box for more details or ipapakita natin dito sa display. And yung promo na to will run until the end of December 2025. And hopefully nakatulong tong video na to sa pagde-decide nyo on whether to get the Expertbook P3. At kung nakatulong man, ano na ba yung mag-like, comment, and subscribe na rin kayo dito sa channel natin. And kung gusto nyo pang manood ng mga videos ko, may mga ililink ako dyan, panigurado, magugustuhan nyo yung mga yan. Hanggang susunod, ako nga pala ulit si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. Kita-kita ulit tayo.